testing and fine-tuning the prompt model. When working with generative AI, tuning parameters can significantly impact the quality of the output. Adjusting parameters like temperature controls the randomness of the responses, while max tokens controls the length of the output. Let's experiment with these parameters to fine-tune our model. Output example. With a higher temperature, in 100 years, climate change could transform the planet into a surreal, almost alien landscape. With a lower temperature, in 100 years, climate change will result in significant environmental shifts, including rising sea levels and unpredictable weather patterns.